Hi, and welcome to Reviews for Nerds. Today, I'm really excited. I'm finally going to unbox the W34 smartwatch I picked up off of eBay a couple weeks ago. Now, you may be wondering, why are you so excited about a smartwatch that cost you $15? Well, it's because I'm really rough on electronics. I work in an environment that has me reaching in and out of tight spaces a lot, and sometimes I forget to take off my watch. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to unbox it and set it up and get an initial feel for it. In a future video, I'll come back and give you a 1 week review. So let's get started. All right, so here we go with our unboxing of the W34 smartwatch. Obviously you can see the packaging is great. What we have here. What do we have here? Specifications. 1.3-inch display. Data transmission, blah, 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 blah. There's the front of the watch right there. Smart band. Your health steward. Ooh. Let's open up and see what we've got. Now, apparently I chose the white one. Got instructions here. Literally all... Oh, there's English. Perfect. But flimsy little band. So far this isn't boding too well. I don't know if this shows up very well, but the screen protector that they put on it to keep it from getting scratched fell off, so this thing's already loaded with scratches. Let's see here. Guess that goes there. Goes like that. Goes like that. Well, we're off to a good start because I don't see any charger. Yeah, I'm not crazy. There's no charger in the box. Wow. Well, this honestly doesn't even look like a working model. It's completely fake. This is a demo unit. This is what you would put out on display. That's what you get for $15. So just as an update, I figured out this is a charging port, and I've tried charging it this way. I've tried charging it this way. And according to the instructions, as soon as you plug it in, it should power on. Now, if you want to leave a comment and tell me, which way is the correct way, I guess, but it doesn't seem to matter. It's not powering on. I've requested a refund mainly because, as you'll see in the video, this is not even the watch that's in their demo video. I'll have a link to that in the description below. So, first unboxing for a potential review of a $15 smartwatch to see if it will work for me in my day-to-day life. Doesn't look like this one's going to work because it literally doesn't work. Soon I'll have a different smartwatch video. Just have to wait for the order to come in. So, until next time, see you later.